Hello children, how are you? So I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah, I know you are all very good people. Am I right? Yeah. So coming to our session. So what we are discussing in the previous class, what we discussed. Yeah, in the previous class we discussed a workbook pattern, the CW, and I have given questions what you have to write in your CW. So I think it is of vast. So you have to complete it in 1 week. I hope everyone started writing. Am I right? Yeah. So well and good. And coming to our class. In today's session, what we will discuss? Can anyone guess what we are going to discuss in today's class? No one is have any guess. Or some people are telling that, yeah ma'am, today I will start the new lesson. Yeah? No, it's a wrong guess. I will not start new lesson. So the next one, someone will tell that, ma'am, you may conduct surprise test. No, it is also wrong answer. Yeah. So the next one, no ma'am, we are not having any idea. You just once tell what you are going to discuss in today's topic. Yeah. So in today's topic we are going to discuss. I already said no. In each and every lesson we are having down of the lesson we are having a brackets. So down of the lesson we are having this bracket forms, and these are like amazing facts in the 5th standard or in your previous classes or in the 4th class and the 3rd class in that. So you are having amazing fact. Am I right? So in the same way, these are also comes under the amazing fact. So you will read all the lesson, all the pages you can read, but you may not read the down which is there, that you will not read. Am I right? So in the same way, if I want to tell as an example means, so every time you will eat the food, at the last you will not show interest to eat. And what your mother and what your fathers or what your grandmothers they used to tell, eat the last one, then only you will get more energy. So up to now what you have taken as a food, that will also mix along with this, then only you will have more strength. Yeah. So everyone will tell no. So this is the last piece. This if you are eating any dosa or if you are eating any idli or chapati, so don't leave the last pieces. You have to eat fully. If you are taking a meal also, so they will tell you have to eat full plate. And also if you are going to any functions also, whatever you want, that only ask them to keep. So the remaining you can leave. Okay, but the plate should be empty. So they will tell in the same way. Am I right? So here also in the same way. So we will read throughout the lesson. We will complete the workbook. We will write the STs or whatever there in the book we will read. But down what is there, that we may forget. Alright. So for that only today I am going to discuss what are there. So that we are going to discuss. So if I am discussing once, then it will enter into your mind, so that if any fill in the blanks or if any choose the correct answers, they have given as a option in your exam. So they may give for very short answer questions, or they may ask as a choose the correct answers, true or false, whatever it may be. So let us discuss the down lines of the lessons. Okay, these are very very important in our lessons. These are also called as like amazing facts, which are there in our earlier classes. In the same way this. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, shall we start from first onwards or from 4th lesson onwards? Always it is best way to come from the first. Am I right? So I'll start from the first lesson. So everyone open your textbooks and read what is there in your down. Each and every page, if you are seeing means, in each and every page we will be having one bracket, and we will have one line, a line or 2 lines or whatever it may be. Ma'am said only 1 line, don't think like that. So you will be having a line. So that these are very very important, which will help you to the future also. Okay, so yeah, in the first place, what do you see? Banana contains potassium, which is useful for us. So daily we are eating banana. Am I right? Am I right? So maybe some people may eat or some people may not eat. Okay, but it is very good for your health. Okay, and also apple. One apple. If you are eating daily an apple, that will keeps our health fit, and we no need to go near doctor. One apple will keep our health fit. So in the same way, banana contains potassium. Banana contains potassium. Potassium. It is useful for us. It is useful for us. In the same way, do you know one thing? If you are eating banana with an empty stomach, is it good or is it bad? No, we should not eat banana with an empty stomach, because it will be combined with a bit of proteins, and it will help to normalize the insulin response caused by the sugar in the banana. So whatever it is there in the banana, if you are eating in without taking any food, it's a empty stomach. Sometimes in your traveling, maximum while you are traveling, at that time you'll used to eat banana with an empty stomach, or else when you are feeling hungry, then also you used to eat banana. But you should not eat banana with an empty stomach, because whatever the proteins which are there with the and the sugar content, so it is also somewhat sweet, am I right? So whatever the sugar content is there, and it will be affected with the insulin, and also causes somewhat health issues will be there. So that don't eat banana with an empty stomach. Okay, eat banana, but don't eat with empty stomach. If you are eating banana, then you will get potassium. Okay, but if you are eating with an empty stomach, then you may cause diseases. So eat banana without after eating anything, after taking any meal at the time you can, but before it should not. So the next, chicory is beneficial for digestion, the circulatory system and the blood. Do you know chicory? What is the meaning of chicory? Chicory. What you will tell, the stems, branches of the trees will be there, no? So for that, we will be having this chicory. So this chicory is also added in coffee. These are also added in coffee powder. So they will take the coffees, no? Instant coffees will be there, and also filter coffees will be there, no? So in that they will add this chicory. This will help you for digestion. So I am telling chicory will help you in digestion, but I didn't say coffee will help you in digestion. So use once listen carefully. What I say, because after listening this, so you will go near your mother and you will ask, ma'am said that if you are taking coffee means it is good for our digestion, so I want coffee. Coffee is very very bad to your health. Okay, so chicory, which is contained, it will be contained in coffee and also some other products. So this is very beneficial for our digestion. For our digestion process, it is very helpful, and also for the circulatory system and the blood. Circulatory system means what it will be, the blood vessels which will take away from the heart. Are called veins, and which will bring back to the heart are called arteries. So in the same way, so it will help in the blood vessels and the pumping of blood in the circulatory system. Chicory will help you. So you have to take chicory, but in a less amount. So the next one, beetroots are high in carbohydrates levels and should therefore be used sparingly. Sparingly means beetroot is very good for your health, so that it will contain more carbohydrates in the beetroot. So that you have to take sparingly means what you will tell, for example, if banana is there means you have to take daily. In the same way, beetroot sparingly means at least weekly twice. In that way you have to take, because beetroot contains a carbohydrate food. So carbohydrate levels are more in the beetroot. So you have to take it twice a week. And the next, peanut contains beneficial proteins, but many people are allergic to them and find them hard to digest. So I saw in our class only so many members hate peanuts. So they will keep the peanuts aside and they will eat the whatever your mother is to cook, a lemon rice or whatever she is cooking for you. So you will keep a peanuts aside and you will eat the normal rice. But peanut is very very good for your body. So some people will not eat because they may feel like it is not good in taste, or it is like allergic. So if you are not for example, if you hate something as a food, for example if you hate curd, okay, then you'll feel like allergy. If you are seeing this, then you'll feel like allergy. So in the same way, whatever you are hating as a food, then you are not interested to eat. In the same way, so many members used to feel like allergy. So whatever the peanuts will be there, but it is very good for our health. Okay. Onions are in excellent antioxidants and they contain anti-allergic, antiviral and antihistaminic properties. Okay, onions, everyone know very well, no, onions which are there, they are good for our health. So everyone will, for example, if you are seeing means in the before days how they used to eat. So yeah, thinking that they are having tiffins, they will eat tiffins in the morning session. Yeah, so in the morning for example, if you are telling, so nowadays if you are asking any child or who is small also, what you'll ask, okay, what is your tiffin or what do you eat in the morning session? So what is that breakfast? They'll tell that breakfast. After that we'll eat in the afternoon session lunch and the night dinner. So like that they'll tell dinner or supper. So they used to tell in the same way. But if you are asking the old persons in the sense, your grandfathers, your grandmothers will be there. So if you are going and ask what you have eaten in the morning session when you are in your age, when you are in my age. So for example, your small kids, no. So ask them what you have taken as a tiffin. So what do you eat when you are in our age? So if you are asking them, they used to tell that they used to eat night whatever the leftover rice will be there, no. They used to eat that rice along with the what is that onion will be there, no, raw onion. They used to eat along with the raw onion, and also they used to eat with some pickles also. Mostly they used to prefer the curd rice and the raw onion. That is only that will make you health in the health conscious also. It is very very good for your health nowadays also. So our olden days, whatever the olden days people are following, nowadays also so many members used to follow in the same way. Whatever the leaves which are there, so everyone is to consider that it is very bad in taste. Whatever the different types of leafy vegetables will be there, no. So nowadays everyone is eating the leafy vegetables, and like olden days how it will be, in the same way nowadays we are following that. And also coming to the dressing style also, if you are seeing means the olden style. So if you are seeing the movies, the old movies, if what you are seeing in that, whatever the dresses is there now, they are coming as a fashion. So in the same way, in the food style also, nowadays it is the olden days which they have followed. Now also in the same way some people are following. I may not tell that everyone, some people. Okay, so it is very good for your health. The onions which are there, they will keep antioxidants and anti-allergics. So whatever the allergic is there in our body, so it will fight with that and it will make your body good. So in the same way, so that you have to eat a onion. So maximum nowadays onwards, so everyone try to eat the night leftover food will be there, no? So that eat along with the curd as a tiffin. That is very very good for your health. Okay. The next, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of carotenoid antioxidants. Sweet potatoes also, it is very very good. It will fight with the antioxidants. Sweet potatoes also will fight with the antioxidants. And also coming to the tomatoes, tomatoes will be there, no? Tomatoes are also good in vitamin C. So vitamin C, it is good. It contains vitamin C in the tomato. So the vitamin C is most concentrated, and it also contains carotenoid lycopene. So carotenoid lycopene is present in this. Okay. It will, if you are eating tomatoes, then you are having a less, what you can tell, you can fight with the cancer, in the sense, yeah, it is very less risk that you will affect with the cancer. If you are taking more tomatoes as your food, if you are eating that food, that tomatoes more, then you can keep away from the cancer. You are having a lower risk of the cancer if you are taking tomatoes more. And they are excellent sources of antioxidants, and also it contains vitamin C. Carotenoid lycopene is also present in that. And coming to the cakes and cookies contain too much sugar and not enough vitamin and minerals. Okay, if you are listening this, then what is to I think everyone will not keep this in mind. Why? Because everyone is having favor of biscuits, and also the cakes. So everyone likes to eat that. Everyone is to like junk food is very. Everyone is to eat junk food much, right? I am also in your side only, but you have to avoid that, so that eat less junk food. In the sense, whatever the food you are taking, biscuits and the cakes, don't eat more. So those are all fat contained food, so take it in less quantity. I am not telling you to avoid fully. If you are avoiding fully, then it is well and good, you are the best person. But I can't say that you have to avoid, because I too can't do that. It is little bit tough for us to do that. Am I right? So okay, well and good. This is good for our health, so that we will take it in a little amount. Okay, don't we will not take in a daily. So daily don't eat the biscuits and the cakes. So eat in a little quantity. Okay. If your father and mother also keeping the biscuits for you as snacks, or if your mother and father is telling them you to eat it in the breakfast time, but don't eat. Tell them, so I will not eat this as a breakfast. So if you want me, whatever the rice you have cooked, that rice keep it for me. But I don't want biscuits more. So it is not good for my health. So you have to tell them, and you have to convey them in a pleasant way. In the pleasant way means, Mama, it is not good for health, so that I am trying to avoid this in my food. So I want whatever the rice you have put, keep it for me. I'll eat that. Okay. Tell them in a polite way. Don't shout at them. And also try to tell in a explain them. So if this is a sugar contained and fat contained food, this is not good for health, so that it is better to avoid that as our food. Okay. Tell them in a polite way. I'll take it in a light manner. Light in the sense, okay, for example, in a snacks time, if you are eating 2 or 3, okay, it is well and good. Don't take it in more amount. Okay. Yeah. The next, oranges are more fibrous than the fruits and the vegetables. So take orange for fiber food. Orange is a fiber food. It is very good for our health. If you are not feeling well also, so many members used to tell that eat orange, it is good for, it also contains vitamin C food material. So everyone is done. So orange is good for vitamin C, and also it is a fiber contained food. Take it in a right amount. Okay, then these are the good way to eat. So now in today's session, what we have discussed, all we have discussed, whatever we don't like. Okay, okay, take it easy, but listen and follow it. Try to follow it. Try not, you have to do, compulsory it is, but what for whose sake I am telling? For your sake or for my sake? Your sake. Am I right? I am also one of you only. So I will also, whatever I am telling, first I have to follow that. Am I right? So I will also follow along with you people. You also follow it. Okay? Okay? I think we both have to tell that all the best. I am telling you to do that. All the best to you people, and also all the best to me also. Because I have to follow this. Am I right? So we have to take sweet, in today's session what we did, we have to take sweet potatoes, and we have to eat oranges, and we have to avoid biscuits and the cakes, and also we should not eat banana with an empty stomach. And what we read, still what we read, children? Yeah, once we will check. Oranges, cakes, okay, tomatoes, we have to take the tomatoes in a right quantity. Yeah, onions, yeah, beetroots and the peanuts. This only we have read in today's session. Okay, well and good. We will try to follow the same. Okay, I said no, all the best to you and all the best to me also. Thank you for watching. In the next session, we will discuss the second lesson. Down which are the brackets are there, that we will discuss. Okay, don't think that this is a waste video. It is very helpful to you people. Whatever the down, these are all very good lines. It is like an amazing facts only, no, to you people. And you don't know before, these are all in this way, these are all contained resource. So don't stop this video in the middle. So watch this video till the end. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.